Welcome to the full session review for June 1st, 2026 from Hollow Point Trading. We cover every play and every receipt, highlighting squeeze zones, algorithms, and entries called live and free. Let's review the scoreboard. The morning closed a perfect 4 quarters. After that, we successfully walked the chart down into the close, turning 100% into 300% gains. The morning session focused on calling the market bottom in advance, achieving a perfect 4 quarters, 100% success rate. At 9:27 a.m., the read was a, quote, lowercase h. This was posted before the contract moved, with NQ coiling on the 30,434 to 30,445 shelf. The Discord receipt confirms the timing. We identified the bottom as a, quote, falling 3 within a rejecting pivot, driving the price into 30,445. The subsequent bullish reversal initiated a sharp move off the bottom we marked at the open. The structure analysis crossed the board: SPY, NQ, JPM, and SOUN. The thesis involved a defended squeeze zone, a falling 3 rejection, and a bullish reversal, confirming entries in JPM and SOUN. The lesson is to use discipline during chopping markets. If the chart is choppy, avoid getting involved, as poor timing and entries lead to mediocre results, not hollow entries. Here are the key time-stamped callouts. We started looking at SPX puts, SOUN, and JPM calls at 9:39 a.m. By 10:45 a.m., all positions were green, making the SPX puts free. The day closed at 11:58 a.m., achieving a 4 quarters closure and $1,850 to $6,000 per contract on the SPX bang. The NDXP $30,560 call at 10:44 a.m. produced an 82.80% gain, converting $3,430 into a $6,270 market value. The lowercase h reversal we predicted at the open fully materialized and cashed out. The SPXW $7,605 call at 10:47 a.m. generated a 280.75% gain on a $696 cost basis, resulting in a $2,650 value on 2 contracts. As stated, the SPX calls paid for the SPX puts, and they were free to hold. A member receipt shows a TSM $500 call with a 266.67% return, illustrating that members trade the framework, not just the ticker. This success confirms that the strategy's edge is broadly applicable. Next, we review walking the chart down. This phase involved a classic head and shoulders and distribution pattern, stepping down level by level for continued profits. Step 1. The squeeze zone was marked at 2:45 p.m. between 757.52 and 758.01. I entered a lottery SPX 7600P0 DTE contract, looking for a drop from the head and shoulders and institutional offloading, targeting 1000% RR. Step 2. The pattern master confirmed the topping sequence in real time, identifying a matching high, an evening star, and a double top. The distribution was confirmed, and the predicted walk down began. Step 3. Distribution confirmed, leading to a bleed out characterized by a broadening and bear channel into the close. Price followed the levels straight down to the 7600P target, precisely as mapped out beforehand. The lottery SPX puts resulted in a 100% gain in 4 minutes, hitting 300% shortly thereafter. The trade was confirmed live with a high-stakes entry. This illustrates the power of precise timing in end-of-day moves. The results speak for themselves. The room ate. We saw receipts across the board as the whole community printed. Discipline and following the framework yield exceptional results. Member Sweetz' day P&L was an impressive $17,960, with a 176.67% return on the SPXW $7,600 put. This was a direct result of following the end-of-day distribution read. Sweetz secured an afternoon double, achieving a 73.85% gain on SPXW and 73.14% on QQQ, totaling over $2,944 in profits from the afternoon session alone. Other members also printed. Beanchi secured a 71.88% gain on NDXP puts, and DD 17,927 took a 58.8% return on SPY puts, demonstrating strong execution of the afternoon thesis. Trader 115 also cashed in on IWM calls with a 52.9% gain, following the earlier market bottom call. This shows execution across different market segments and timeframes. Bo_Darville executed a swing trade on QBTS calls for a 16.4% gain, holding from May 29th to June 1st. The swing trades continue to deliver results on the framework. In the members' own words, the execution was textbook, confirming that the community is mastering the charts and taking profits, regardless of the market conditions. The final tally shows success on every single call for the day, achieving multiple triple-digit gains, including the phenomenal 100% to 300% move on SPX puts. From morning open to close, the day was all green. We called the bottom and walked the chart down for a perfect 4/4 session. Remember, hollow points always expand.